Hello everybody, welcome back to CNS Corvettes in sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to talk to you about, well really we're just here to talk about Thanksgiving, aren't we? Because we have had such a busy couple of weeks, and there's a few little things I want to share with you, and I want to get your thoughts on a couple of things. We'll get into that right away. So as you're probably aware, we're pretty busy here, and that we're very blessed to be as busy as we are. But I can tell you that everybody here, myself included, is really looking forward to a little bit of a break here going into the Thanksgiving holiday. Just for your information, the shop is going to be closed from 28th tomorrow all the way through December 1st. Now, the website is going to be up and running, obviously, and we are still running our holiday special, Black Friday special, 10% off everything on our website, with the gift code or the discount code HOLIDAY24. You can buy anything on the website while we're out of the office. All the orders will be fulfilled when we return to the office on December 2nd. So you won't have to wait very long. But again, we are really looking forward to this break. We hope you guys are looking forward to your break a little bit. We all get to catch a breath. I'm fighting a bit of a head cold, so I may sound a little stuffy. I apologize for that. So, you know, we always, at least I always take a little time to reflect this week of the year about the things that I'm thankful for. I mean, we all spend a lot of time pursuing the things that we want in life. You know, oh, I want that new C8 Z06, or, ooh, I want this, or I'm going to work toward that, and that's great. You know, having goals and pursuing them is part of what makes life really worth living. But to stop and show a little gratitude, even if you just do it in here, for a sustained period of time, and this is a great week to do it, is healthy, and it's important to do. I like to take time this week of the year specifically to really focus on the things that I am fortunate to have, the people in my life that I'm fortunate to have, and some of those things this year, I'm super fortunate to be surrounded with the people I am here at this shop. I've been here 25 years. We have 8 people working here full time, including myself, and every one of them here loves what we do. They are all doing their very best every day to not only do what's right for the company, but especially do what's right for the Corvette owners and the Corvette enthusiasts that we get to interact with. I don't have a problem with people not showing up for work. I don't have a problem with people not exceeding expectations, not only mine, but the customers. And man, that's a rare thing today. And I know how fortunate I am to be in that position. I am also very thankful for the fact that I get to continue to do this every day. This is what I wanted to do since I was 5 years old. And, you know, here I am in my early 50s, and I still get to play with cars every day, especially the cars that I love more than any other. So I'm very grateful for that. Definitely grateful for my son, who is a great young man. Love spending time with him. Very fortunate to have him still in my circle, but he's going to get married next year, so odds are I will see less of him, and that's going to be an adjustment for me. So I'm really thankful for the time that I have right now. You know, what kinds of things are you guys thankful for? And you know, obviously, if you want to talk about the things you're thankful for down in the comments, absolutely do. But more importantly, in your own head and in your own heart, let's take some time and really focus on being grateful for the good things that we all have in our lives. Some people struggle more than others. Some people have more hardship than others, but we can all find something in our lives that we're like, yeah, that's pretty awesome, and I'm really happy about having that or knowing that person or whatever. Take the next 4 days, enjoy your family, enjoy the food, enjoy your football, whatever it is you all do, but do it with a sense of gratitude. I know I'm very thankful for all of you who join me every week for our little talks, and I look forward to being with you guys for many years to come, talking about the things that we love and enjoy out on the road. But this weekend, enjoy your family, enjoy your friends, and most of all, enjoy yourselves. Thank you so much. We'll see you when we come back to work next Monday.